So in the previous video we have just started the chapter number 7, that is decimals. In that we have seen up to the like decimals and unlike decimals. Now moving forward, here we will see converting unlike decimals to like decimals. Converting unlike decimals to like decimals. See here how we will do that. Converting unlike decimal into like decimal. Like decimal. See here an example 1 is given. Example 1, that is convert 2.8 and 3.167 into like decimals. So how we will convert this both to the like decimals? So let us convert this. Here, first of all, you can see after the point there are 3 digits. So here is only 1 digit. So what we will do is, here I can write 2.8 is equal to 2.80. If I put a 0, then there is no change in its value. And also if I put this 2.800, then also if we put 20 over here, then also the value change will not occur over here. So here we can say that 2.800 and 3.167 are like decimals. Yes or no, students? So please do it. Here, next topic is representation of decimals on a number line. How we will just represent the decimals on the number line. So let us do that. So here representation of decimals on number line. Okay. So here they have given an example of 0.4. They have given an example of 0.4. Let us do that. So here first of all we will draw a line. And we will put a 0 over here. Okay, and now we have to do 0.4. Then I can write this as 4 upon 10. Then we have to divide 0 to 2 into 10 parts. How many parts? 10 parts. So I will write here 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 0.10, that is 1.0. Okay. We have divided this into 10 parts. From 0 to 1 we have divided that into 10 parts. Why? Because that is 4 by 10. And here now you can see that where is 0.4? It is over here. And also you can do is the another way in the form of fraction. I am just doing this for just only for understanding. Here I can write 1 by 10 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, and 10 by 10. So from here you can see we can also give this answer, that is 4 by 10. This both are correct, but you have to do this one, okay, because we are just representing decimals on the number line, not fractions. Okay, I'll just do this for the understand. Okay, you have to do this only. Okay students, now moving forward, our next topic is place value. The place value of the decimals, how can we define that? Let us do that one by one, all the place values. So place value, so here if I take a number like this, 364.986. Okay, so how we can know the place value of this? So first of all, just I can say that we know the place value of 3 is what? That is 100. Why? Because here ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, then we know the place value of 6, that is ones, tens, and we know the place value of 4, that is ones. Okay, now we know this 3, hundreds, tens and ones, but now this all the things you have studied in the previous class, but then also I am just going through it. So here the place value after the point, it is tenth. This is tenth. Okay, then place value of 8, that is hundredths. And now you can know the place value of 6 is what? First of all, write down by yourself. That is thousandths. Okay students, so this is the place values. Here the value of 3 is 100, 6 is tens, 4 is ones, 10th is 9, and 8 hundredths, 6 thousandths. So this way this is the place value. And again the 100 means 10 into 10, tens means 10, ones means 1, and tenth means from here it will be changed, that is 1 by 10. Here 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, that is 1 by 100, and here at thousands 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, that is 1 by 1000. Okay, so in this way the values are given. 10 into 10, that is hundreds, 10 tens, 1 ones, 1 upon 10, that is tenths, 1 into 10 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, that is 1 by 100, that is hundredths, thousandth, that is 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, that is 1 by 1000. So this is the place value. See here an example. And example 2 is given over here, where write the decimal fraction for 43.607 in expanded form. How we will expand this? Here I am just doing this example over here. Example number 2, that is 43.607, and we have to expand this. Then how we will expand this? So here, how we will expand this? Can anybody tell me, students? First of all, do by yourself. Don't see from the textbook. Here 40 plus 3 plus 6 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. Okay, this way you can expand. This is the decimal expansion. Now for fraction, that is 40 plus 3 plus 0.6 plus 0.000. If you will write or not write, it will be same only. So plus 0.007. Okay, this is the expansion of 43.607. This is in the decimal form, and this is in the this is in the fraction form, and this is in the decimal form. Now, moving towards example number 3, you can see over here in the next page 101. In that, you have to represent the following number in the place value table, give their expanded form, and write the number in words. Also write them as mixed fraction. Okay, let us do that. Have you noted this, students? So here, first of all, making a table. So here they have said that represent the following numbers in the place value table, give their expanded form both in fraction and decimal, and write the numbers in words. Also write them as mixed fraction. So let us do that, students. So first, in example number 3, I will do only one. All the other else you have to do in your homework. So the first one, A, that is 235.25. A, that is 235.25. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to do make a table for putting the values. So here, first of all, 100, tens, ones, then after coming point, and then after tenths, then after hundreds, okay. So let us put the values first of all. So here we know that 5 is ones, so here we will put over here. 3 is tens, 2 is hundreds, and point over here 2, 5, that is 2, 5. Okay, we have done this. Now, what we have to do next? Next, give their expanded form both in decimal and fraction. So we have to do expanded form. How we will do this? Expanded form, that is 200 plus 30 plus 5 plus 2 by 10 plus 5 by 100. This is in the form of fractions. And now in the form of decimal. Let us do that. That is 200 plus 30 plus 5 plus 0.2 plus 0.05, and this is in the form of decimals. This is fraction expanded and this is decimal expanded. Now another one, what we have to do next, then write the numbers in words and also them as mixed fraction. Okay, let us do that. First of all, writing this in the form of words. So how we will write this in the form of words that I am writing, that is 235 okay, point 25 235.25. Okay students, now another what we have to do, also write them as mixed fraction. So for making this mixed fraction, we have to convert this into fraction. Then 2, 3, 5, how many jumps? 1 and 2. Here that is 25 and here that is 100. So for making this in the mixed fraction form, we have to divide this 100 by 23525. 23525. Then first of all 200, here will be 0, here will be 352. Then 3s are 300, here will be 0, here will be 525. Then 100 5s are 500, here will be 0, 2, 5. Okay students, now you can write this in the mixed fraction as 2, 3, 5, here 25 and at bottom 100. Okay, so 100 into 235, that is 200, 235, 100 and plus 25, that is 23,525. Okay students, so please note down this. This I have done for the example number 3 only. A, B, C and D you have to do in your homework. Have you noted down this students? This you have to do, this all the things you have to do for B, C and D as in your textbook it is given. Now we are just moving to exercise 7A. From that I have done question number 1 and now just moving towards question number 2, that is convert the unlike decimals 6.2, 0.1, 12.21 and 2.003 into like decimals. So how we will convert this? Question number 2, that is 6.2, 0.1, 12.21, 2.0034. Let us convert this. Here it is 0. Okay. So the maximum numbers, it is over here 4. Here it is 2. Here it is 1 and here is also 1. So I can write this as 6.2000. Then here it will be 4 and I can write this 0.1 as 0.1000. 0. So here will be also 4, and this as 12.2100. So here is also 4, and next it is as it is. So these are all the like fractions. Okay, these are all the like fractions. Now moving towards question number 3, that is write the following in the place value table. Question number 3 you have to do by your own. You have to make a table of place value, okay, which we have done in the example number. See here, you have to make a table like example number 3, only table, not do anything else. Only you have to put all the values in the table of question number 3. Okay, now question number 4, that is expand the number and write in words. So from that I am just doing one. Question number 4, from that I am just doing B. Other else you have to do by your own. 0.459. So first of all we have to expand it, and then after we have to write in words. So for expanding, I am just expanding in the both way, fraction and also in the decimal. So first of all 0 plus 4 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. Okay, this is expanded in fraction. Now for decimal, 0 plus 0.4 plus 0.05 plus 0.009. So this we have expanded according to the decimal, and now we have to write this in the form of words. So we are writing that. So we will write this as 0.459. 0.459. So here in the question 4 you have to first of all expand, like here I have done in the fraction form, here I have done in the decimal form, and then after we have to write this in the words. So I have done it for you. Other else A, B and C you have to do by yourself. Okay, moving further, question number 5, write as decimal numbers. Okay, question number 5, moving towards question number 5. In question number 5, what you have to do is you have to write as decimal numbers. So for that I am just doing B for you, that is 5000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2 plus 1 by 10 plus 2 by 100. Okay, so this is expanded form in the form of fraction, and we have to convert this into decimal. So I will suggest this, that first of all you convert this into decimal. So I will write 5000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2 plus 0.1 plus 0.02. Now you just add this. So 5000 plus 4000, 5400 plus 30, 5432, 5432. Then coming point, here it is 0.1, so 1, 2. So this is your answer, and in that way you have to do A, C, D by yourself. Okay, And question number 6, it is write as decimal numbers. So in question number 6, I am just doing one for you. Question number 6, I am just doing D. That is 100, 76.01, 176.01. So this you have to convert into decimal. So how we will convert? That is 176, that is 176.01, that is 01. Okay, but I will also do A for you because there is a different method for that. So here I am doing A for you, that is 6 and 5/10, 5/10. Okay, 6 and 5/10. So here 6, then what? 5/10. So 0.5. Okay, 6 and 5/10. So I can write 6 plus 5/10. So this is your answer, that is 6.5. That you have to, else you have to do in your homework, that is B and C you have to do in your homework. And here question number 7, that is represent the following on the number line. So you know that how to represent this on the number line. You have to do according to the example I have teach you, that was 0.4. Okay, according to this example which is on the page number 100 on the above side, you have to do according to that. So here we are just completing this lecture, and in your homework what you have to do is remaining sums of exercise 7A, okay, which I have in between told you that sums. Okay, and we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.